English, we can say, is the most confusing language because there are n number of rules, and we are going to learn today one of them. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So let's learn today the rule of vowel teams, or we can say diphthongs. Now, what are vowel teams and what are diphthongs? Name itself tells that vowel teams are the team of vowel. Okay, when two vowels that make one sound, दो vowel एक आते हैं, एक sound हो जाता है, उन्हें हम vowel teams बोलते हैं. लेकिन they sound something different. Okay, they make the different sound. And diphthongs, we will see it later. Okay, we are going to see the example also. Okay, that will be more simpler to understand. So the first vowel team we are going to take is U and E. U and E. I'm not going to make any short sounds of them because it will make more confusing. Okay, so U and E मिलके होता है U. So cl, U, clue. हमने पिछले वीडियो में व्हाट आर डाइग्राफ्स एंड ब्लेंड्स पढ़े हैं, उसके लिए हमें सी एल मेक्स क्ल, यू ई मेक्स यू. सो क्ल यू क्ल्यू, क्ल यू क्ल्यू, ब्ल यू ब्ल्यू, ब्ल यू ब्ल्यू, ब्ल यू ब्ल्यू. Next team of vowel is E and I, which makes E. E like w, a, way, 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 way. So EI makes A, A. EI makes the sound of A. Okay, A. N, A, nay, nay. Okay, EI makes the sound of A, A. Okay, E and A both are the vowels. They make the sound of E, E like P, E, P, P, E, P, P, E, P. Double O, both are the O, both are the vowels. They make the sound of food, food. So O O मिलके क्या sound होता है? ऊ, ऊ, ऊ. Food, food. Cook. Okay, cook. O U makes O, O like boat, 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 boat. Okay, next example we will take A and U. A and U makes ow, 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 gust, gust. Is this visible? Yes, this is visible. So gust, gust. Okay, I E, I E makes I like I, pie, 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 pie. A I becomes A like rain, 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 rain. Main, main, main. So whenever there's a combination of ain. Okay, E becomes E. Double E makes the sound of E itself like eat, meat, eat, beat. Okay, simple. So again we will have a quick revision. U like cl, you, clue. A, w, a, way. E, p, e, p. U, food, food. O, boat, boat. August, August. I, pie. A, rain, rain. E makes meat. सी हमने ये पहले भी किया हुआ है. लाइक व्हेन टू वॉवल्स आर वॉकिंग, one does the talking and second one is silent, but this doesn't imply for o. Like the sound of o is a. So हम डबल ओ आने पे ऊपर नहीं बोलते. It makes o. Okay, so These were the, I'm sorry for making the board messy. Okay, so these were the vowel teams. Okay, now diphthongs. Diphthongs are the one vowel and w और y that make one sound. मतलब एक vowel friend होता है और एक w और y friend होता है. Okay, among them, both of them, a और w और y, sorry. So o w, is this again visible? Okay, so I'll make sure this is visible. Yes. Okay, so o w makes ow, like cow, 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 cow. Oi, oi, b, oi, boy, b, oi, boy, b, oi, boy, j, oi, joy, j, oi, joy, a, hey, hey, a, ey makes a, ew, ew, like bl, ew, blue, fl, ew, flew. Again, ay makes a, sound of aid, a day, m, a may. Aw makes the sound of ah, l, ah, la, l, ah, la. Okay, and one more is, I think I missed one more, that is oi. Oi. So we can add I again here. No, but I is, I think I missed here. So oi makes oi. 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 Like boil, boil. Boil, boil. Soil, soil. So I missed oi. Boil, boil. Soil, soil. So majorly vowel teams, make sure you remember one rule. Two vowels are walking, two vowels are walking, one does the talking, which is, and second one is silent. यहाँ पे वो implement होता है, but in the case of e and o and double e, it doesn't follows the rule, and even with oi. So we can make sure that they have the another sounds also. And diphthongs are the one vowel friend. There are two friends. One is the vowel friend and second one is w or y. W or y. When w or y आता है left side पे, और एक whenever the vowel comes, they are diphthongs, like oi, ow, I, a, ew, a, okay. So I hope you understand. We will be coming up with more such examples which will make the concept very clear. Hopefully you like the video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.